everyone. So it is day 2 here in Kappa. Another very rainy day, rainier than yesterday. And today we're going to be doing the popular ferry tour to Halong Bay. It's going to cost us $14 per person. I'm not sure what the company's called. Our guest house booked it for us, but that's really cheap because it comes with lunch and it's like the full day. Just hoping that the weather will improve since it's raining. So right now we're just waiting for like a van or something to pick us up and take us to the ferry terminal, and then we should be on our way. So we're setting off now, right from the ferry terminal. It's already pretty beautiful. Rain's got a bit better, so yeah, hopefully it'll open up. Looks really cool already though, check this out. So we've been on the ferry for like, I don't know, 20-30 minutes now. Really smooth ride, so if you have seasickness, yeah, this is a good ride for you. Just smooth all the way. And it's basically just like thousands and thousands of limestone like islands and stuff. Never seen so many in my life, so even on a cloudy day, still looks magnificent. Alright, so we just got in a kayak now. I don't think I mentioned before, but a kayak's included in the trip, and it's going to be for an hour. Really good spot to kayak. We're in like a bay here, just no waves at all, so yeah, you can go like pretty fast without much effort. And this looks pretty awesome, check it out.
I do the work.
Carol does the work, and Chris just lies back. Hey. Hey Carol, but I think this is the easiest kayaking we've done, right?
Yeah, it is.
Usually whenever we've done kayaking before, like it's always been really tiring, lots of like a strong current and stuff. But here it's just like super chill. This trip is looking awesome so far for $14. Definitely a bargain. And nobody's really here. I guess because we're in like the low season and stuff. Just not busy at all. Even the ferry didn't really have that many people, so it's a small group. Even the other ferries that are passing by, there's not that many people as well. So yeah, amazing. Anyway, I think Carol needs some help, right Carol?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're in an awesome spot right now, like completely surrounded all around us right now. And there's like a little tunnel here, so we're gonna head through that. we've reached the end now. It's like a lake. It's a dead end, so got to turn back. It's just like El Nido, pretty much, in Philippines or Coron. Very similar. So we came out of that tunnel over there, and now you have all this. So we arrived back on the boat now. I think we were one of the first people to come back. Loads of boats here now, so yeah, I think our ferry arrived first. If you look over there, there's loads of people kayaking. And now I think we're just waiting for them to serve us food, and then we're going to be heading to Halong Bay. This part isn't actually Halong Bay, it's just a cool spot on the way to Halong Bay. So yeah, next we'll see Halong Bay, but I think it's very similar to all this anyway. But yeah, we'll find out. What do you think of the trip so far?
Very cool.
It's probably good that it's not sunny.
Oh yeah, it would be too hot too.
Too hot, yeah.
The kayak.
So before I was wrong, that previous part with the kayaking was Halong Bay, and now we've come to a spot, I think it's called Kappa sandy beaches. So you can see we have loads of little beaches here on the rocks, people jumping off boats, and loads of other little beaches around here. So I think we got an hour here to just swim and stuff, so yeah, should be pretty fun. Oh, not good. Okay, Carol's turn to jump. Alright, after 3, Carol. 3, 2, 1, go. So I'd say this is definitely one of the best views that I've ever had from a beach. I think so anyway. Basically all the way around is just these walls of giant cliffs. Looks awesome. The only negative thing has been all the trash. There's so much trash in this bay, like in the ocean. Yeah, it's just everywhere, even on the beach and stuff. So we've never done a boat tour in Southeast Asia so far with so much trash. Obviously a lot of other countries have yeah, trash issues in Southeast Asia, but like I said, we've never seen that much during a boat tour, so yeah, that's a shame. And I think a lot of it has to do with these ferries as well. We saw people littering and stuff, so yeah, it just makes no sense really. They come on these tours to like admire nature, but then they don't respect it and trash it. So that's the only negative part. Nothing to do with our boat tour though, but yeah, there's loads of trash here. So we've arrived at the final spot now, which is called Monkey Island. Straight when we got on the sand, we already saw like a monkey walking on the sand. So yeah, I think this place is full of monkeys. And just once again, another beach with like an amazing view. So kind of like the last one, it's just, yeah, just limestone islands everywhere. For some reason, everybody went in this part of the beach. I don't know why. So there's like 100 people there, but there's nobody here. Makes no sense. And there is a viewpoint up here. There's loads of people up there. I think me and Carol can't really be bothered doing it. Not sure if the view will be that good. But yeah, that last little like route that we did on the boat, it's probably been the best so far. Just mind-blowing scenery. We passed some really cool like fishing villages. Some of them even had like dogs and cats, so that was crazy. I didn't expect that. Just completely different way of living. Yeah, it was crazy. And like I said earlier, I've just really liked that the ferry goes so slow, so you can like really take in the scenery, and it's like you're just drifting along in the bay. It's just been, yeah, it's been incredible. Check this guy out. He's got his soda. So at first I thought it was a soda, but it was beer. Yeah, alcoholic monkey. Heineken. Oh, that's funny. So I'm gonna close the video out now. They've given us like an hour and 30 minutes on this beach, so really long time. That's another good thing about this tour. We've had a long time at each spot, so that's been awesome. And another cool thing about this tour is straight from the start, it was already like amazing scenery. Usually when I do boat tours in the past, you have to like, yeah, kind of be on the boat for like an hour of open sea and then you get to the place. But here, straight off the coast of Kappa, just completely awesome already. And like I said, it's only $14, so yeah, definitely worth it. As always, just drop a like on this video, subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.